Congratulations, parents, and oh boy, your teen has just got their driver's license, a significant milestone in their journey to independence. But before they hit the road, there are crucial things you need to know about keeping them safe. Trailstone Insurance Group has put together a free teen driver toolkit just for you. Check it out. Hey everyone, Tia here. So this may be one of the most terrifying days that parents experience, the day when your child gets their license and gains their independence behind the wheel of a 4,000-pound weapon. And yes, I did say weapon. Well, at least that's the way insurance companies look at teen drivers. Teen drivers usually mean insurance claims, and insurance rates typically go up when you add your teen driver to your policy. So, what can you do to keep your baby safe and save on your insurance? Well, we've put together a free Trailstone Teen Driver Toolkit to help relieve a little stress. Maybe. So, the Trailstone Teen Driver Toolkit is designed to equip parents and your teen driver with essential resources for guiding them through the challenges of driving responsibly. Inside the toolkit, you'll find valuable resources for starting conversations about safe driving practices with your teen. From safety agreements to informative infographics, we've compiled everything you need to support your teen's journey to becoming a safe and responsible driver. As parents, ensuring the safety of our children on the road is paramount. Let's explore some fundamental safety tips that every parent should discuss with their teen driver. First and foremost, emphasize the importance of always wearing a seatbelt and never driving under the influence of drugs or alcohol. Remind them to keep their focus on the road and to avoid distractions like texting or even adjusting the radio while driving. Teaching your teen defensive driving skills is essential for navigating the road safely. Head to the description below to download our ebook now, because up next, I'll be going over 7 highlights from the Trailstone Teen Driver Toolkit to discuss with your teen driver. First up, encourage them to remain alert, follow the rules of the road, and avoid aggressive driving behaviors. By instilling these habits early on, you can help protect your teen from accidents and ensure their safety behind the wheel. Second, as your teen begins driving alone, it's natural to have concerns about their safety. I am already worried about my son, and he's over a decade away from touching a steering wheel on his own. Third, talk to them about staying vigilant, parking in well-lit areas at night, and trusting their instincts if they feel unsafe. By empowering them with knowledge and awareness, you can help them navigate solo driving with confidence. Fourth, extreme weather conditions can pose additional challenges for teen drivers, so discuss the importance of adjusting their driving behavior in rain, snow, and fog, and encourage them to exercise caution and preparedness when faced with adverse weather conditions. Fifth, in the unfortunate event of a crash, it's crucial for your teen to know how to react responsibly. And there is one must-read important rule for your teen on page 10 of the toolkit. I even highlighted it for you. So if you haven't downloaded it yet, go ahead and do that now or you'll miss out. Remind them to check for injuries, call the authorities, and document the scene. By equipping them with this knowledge, you can help them navigate challenging situations calmly and effectively. Sixth, by encouraging your teen to maintain a clean driving record and take advantage of discounts for good grades, you can lower your insurance costs and reward them for responsible behavior behind the wheel. And seventh, when it comes to choosing a vehicle for your teen, prioritize safety features that offer added protection on the road. From crash worthiness to advanced driver assistance systems, select a car that prioritizes safety to provide you with peace of mind as your teen embarks on their driving journey. With the resources and guidance from the Teen Driver Toolkit, you can support your team as they embark on their journey to becoming a safe and responsible driver. Together, let's ensure their safety on the road. And 2 things to wrap up. If you're paying too much for a teen driver on your policy, reach out immediately to my team here at Trailstone. We work with more than 40 top-rated insurance companies and can help save your family on your auto insurance. And if you want the free 22-page Trailstone Teen Driver Toolkit, click the link in the description below and download your free copy. Until next time, keep guiding your teen with the love and support as they learn to drive safely.